Hello my dear students, welcome to my channel. I am Ganesh Rao, lecturer in accountancy. In this video I am going to explain what is the meaning of human activities, Today, everyone is busy in one or other activity. Teacher is busy in school. Lecturer is busy in college. Shopkeepers are busy in business. Factory workers are busy in factories. Players are busy in grounds. Mother is busy in domestic work. Like this, everyone is busy in one or other activities. All these activities are called human activities. These total human activities are divided into two categories. One is what? One is economic activities. Number two, non-economic activities. Economic activities are undertaken to achieve something in the form of money. Whereas in case of non-economic activities are undertaken not on the basis of earning of money, it is undertaken only on the basis of love and affection, or comes under what? Comes under non-economic activities. Now here, teacher is providing valuable services to the students by means of providing primary and secondary education to students. For that services, every month he is receiving the salary. The work of teacher comes under what? Comes under economic activity. Lecturer is providing valuable services to the students by means of providing higher education to the students. In return, every month he is receiving what? Remuneration in the form of salary. That is, the work of lecturer is also comes under what? Comes under economic activities. Shopkeepers are busy in where? Busy in buying and selling of goods. From one market they are purchasing goods, and in another market they are selling the goods. So they are busy in what? They are busy in buying and selling of goods for the purpose of earning of money. So the work of shopkeepers also comes under what? Comes under economic activities. Factory workers are busy in what? Busy in converting the raw material into semi-raw material, semi-raw material into finished goods. We take example of cotton cloth. Cotton is a raw material. From cotton we are extracting threads. By jointing threads we are getting the cloth, that is finished product. So they are busy in converting the raw material into semi-raw material, semi-raw material into finished goods for the purpose of earning of money. So the work of factory workers also comes under what? Comes under economic activities. Players are busy at evening times, morning times, they are busy in where? In games and sports for their own satisfaction. So they are not getting any remuneration by means of playing in the grounds at evening times. So it is comes under what? Comes under non-economic activity. Mother is busy in where? Busy in domestic work, providing valuable services to whom? To their children, by means of providing meals to whom? To their children. For that act, the mother is not receiving any remuneration. It is undertaken, this activity is undertaken by mother only on the basis of love and affection. Such type of what? Such type of activity comes under what? Comes under non-economic activity. Thank you, student. I am concluding this topic.